nga pala sabi ko about Newton's law of motion. According to Newton, first law is an object at rest remain at rest unless acted on by unbalanced force. An object in motion continues in motion with the same speed in the same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. Sabi, ang isang bagay doon na hindi gumagalaw, hindi gagalaw, pero kapag ito ay nagalaw ng magkaibang pwersa o force, ito ay mag-react which results sa gumalawang isang bagay. Ang isang bagay na gumagalaw, anong kapatuloy sa paggalaw, sa parehas at bilis at direksyon. Bago ito, kung may mas-action na force, paling sa kanya. Second law, according to Newton, acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass. The greater the mass of the object being accelerated, the greater the amount of force needed to accelerate the object. So, alam natin na ang force, ang nag-create na acceleration ng bagay. Kung malaki yung mass ng isang kakailanganin niya ng malaking force para may tulak na ito ng So, yung mathematical expression ng second law is F equals M times A. F means force equals mass times acceleration. The third law, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Example ko yung fish. Ginagalaw niya yung part niya para makagalaw siya. Ayun yung action force. Yung reaction force, ito yung kung walang reaction force, hindi siya aalis sa pesto niya o hindi siya makapunta.